Mini series 9 Days to Job Success series. How to find hidden jobs beyond Naukri and LinkedIn. How to find hidden jobs beyond Naukri and LinkedIn. 5 proven methods to unlock the hidden job market. Day 2 Dream Job series. Apply on Naukri and LinkedIn, but no calls. That is because 70% of job opportunities are never posted online. In this video, I will show you 5 powerful methods to find hidden jobs that most job seekers miss. And these strategies work even if you are a fresher or a mid-career professional or a mid-career job switcher. Stick till the end. I will share free job search tracker or to organize and multiply your results. Hi, I am DJ Prakash, career growth mentor. I help job seekers like you land high paying jobs, not just by applying randomly, but using smart, proven systems. If you are tired of rejection emails, this video will open new doors for you. Number one method, Telegram and WhatsApp job groups. Many startups and recruiters now share job openings in Telegram and WhatsApp groups. They are faster than Naukri and often filled directly by referrals. Important tip, search YouTube or Google for Telegram job for your field in India, or you or your alumni or college group to add you. College page career. Most people never visit company websites, but most companies often post openings only on their career page, especially multinational companies and IT firms. Action. List your dream companies in an Excel sheet, visit their website, career section, bookmark and check weekly or sign up for alerts. Use tool like Fitly or Visual Pink to track new positions automatically. Employee referral. Referral increase your chances of interview calls by 4x. But there is a trick. Don't beg for jobs. Build relationships. Strategy. Connect with employees on LinkedIn. Compliment their work. Ask smartly. Ask smart questions. After 2 or 3 interactions, politely ask, if your company is hiring, could you refer me for a role that matches my profile? Twitter and Reddit job board. Yes, even Twitter and Reddit are becoming powerful job sources. Search for hashtag hiring, hashtag remote jobs, hashtag job alert India. For subreddit like r/India jobs or r/jobs. These are often unfiltered and shared by the hiring managers directly. Email outreach to hiring managers. This is most underused and most powerful method. Here is how. Go to LinkedIn, search for hiring managers or hiring HR managers at your target company. Find their name and email. Use tools like Rocket Reach or Hunter.io. Send a polite, value based cold email with your resume. Example, subject, application for digital marketing role. Hi, DJ Prakash. I am DJ Prakash. I came across your company work in XYZ project and I was truly impressed. If you are hiring, I did love to contribute with my skills in HR. Attach my resume for your consideration. Warm regards, DJ Prakash. Apply these 5 methods to find job faster. These 5 strategies have helped of have helped my students land interviews without applying on job portals. Now it is your turn. Download my free job search tracker and checklist. It helps you keep track of application and follow up and reference. Link is in the description below. And if you want step by step help with resume redesign, interview preparation, and salary negotiation, check out my dream job masterclass below. Like this video, give thumbs up if it helped you. Give this video a like if you learn something new. Comment below which of these methods will you try this week. Don't forget to subscribe because in day 3 I will show you how to make your resume match the job description like a magnet and double your interview chances.